Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see about the process automobile spare shop, which is an Android app. Then comes the abstract of our process. The main aim of this project is to make an online shopping very easily. The special thing about the project is it provides different types of products to purchase. That is to developing an application framework that is centered on enhancing the facilities and communication among the different participating entries involved in the e-business of automobile workshop systems, including buyers, sellers, and visitors. With this application, visitors can search by make and model to access new inventories from the dealers and sellers. So this application framework combines most powerful inventory search features, configurations, pricing information. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. Flow diagram will show the overall process of the system diagrammatically. So there is authentication between the admin and the user. So here first see about the admin process. So here admin will add the new products, that is inventory information. The information will include a name, that is the product name, and the warranty of the product and the price of the product. So these are the details will be added by the admin, and also admin can view the products details and also the customer details, that is the user who under registering in this process will be maintained by the admin can view the details of the users, that is the name and the location of the user. So user, there is two kinds of user, that is just visiting our site, and another one is buying products in our app. So first one is visitor is the person, the no need to register in our app. So just the user can view the products, and if the user likes to buy the products, the user should register in the app. So during registration process, the personal details, basically name and the location of the user will be collected, and then using the username and password given by the user during the registration process will be used to log in into the app. So once logged in, the user can see the products which the user saw before the registration process. So the products will be viewed to the user accordingly different categorized. So from the categorized products, the users will select the product which the user want to buy. So after that, the user can buy the product directly, or if the user want to add it in the cart and buy it later, so that process is also available in our app. So user can use the cart to add their wish. So and also the items added in the cart can also be removed by the user. The user can buy the products, and the cash will be collected on the delivery of the time, and also the notification will be sent to the user mobile when he ordered for the product. Then comes the running procedure of our app. So this is the emulator. So we have to create an AVD to run our process. So here our app APK will be shown. So this is our APK. So before going to the running procedure, I will explain how to add the images so that admin can add the product images. So let us see about how to add images to the gallery. So in the Eclipse, it will show the two tabs like Java and DDBMS. So here only we are going to add the images. So to add the images, we have to click on the storage disregard. So here it will show the folders. So I am going to add the images. So place the cursor, select the folder, and select this icon. Push your file into the device. So it will show the file explorer. So select and browse your images. Then the image will be added into the folder. So this after adding the image to the SD card, we have to restart the emulator. That is, we have to close the emulator and reopen the emulator, so that then only it will show in the gallery. So this is the home page of our application. So automobile spare shop. So click here. Okay, view products, register, login. So the visitor can just click the view products page and the user can buy the products, and if the user want to buy, the user should register and log in. So first I'm logging as admin and add products, then we will view the products. So this is the login page and login as admin. So this is the home page for the ad. First we are going to add products. So we have to enter the product name, warranty, and have to select the product type and price, and we have to select the image of the product. So here I am adding the brake. So we have to specify the amount, and we are now going to select the picture of the brake from the gallery. So we are opening the gallery. So it takes some time. So these are all the images in the gallery. So I am selecting the brakes. So it will be shown in our app. So this process will all continued by admin. So now we are going to add product. So click here. So the product was added successfully. Now we are going to view the products. So these are all the products which are added by the admin. So the product name, the warranty, and the type, and this is the price. So these are all can be viewed by the admin. So next we are going to use this app as an. So now we are going to just view the products without the registration and login. So this is the item which is lastly updated by the admin. So if we want to view about the item, so you have to click the name of the item. So it will detailly show the product details. There is a product name, the price, and the warranty of the product. And if you want to add to the cart, you can add to the cart, or if you want to directly buy, you can buy, and also you can view the cart. So now here we are just login as a visitor. So when I click this, it will show to login. So after the login, you can add the cart. So let us register and login. So now we are going to register. So this is the registration page. So, so just here we have to select the city, enter the password, retype password. So there is a validation in this page. So if the password and the retype password field is different, then the registration process will not be success. So the valid email address should be given, and no number should be entered in the name. So these are the validation. The fields in the registration process are entered successfully. So now I'm going to register. So registration was success. So the page will be automatically moved to the login page. So the name given during the registration process will be used to log in here. So it will just show the username and login was success. So it will show the username. So here, if the user want to buy this project, so just click the product name. So if you want to add to the cart, you can add to the cart. So it was successfully added to the cart, and also you can view the cart. So this is the item which you added. So if you want to remove from the cart, you can also remove from the cart. And if you want to buy the product now, have to click buy now. So it will ask for the address and the mobile number. So you have to give the address. So just click the buy button after entering the address and the phone number. So the cash will be collected during the delivery of the product, and at the same time the notification will be sent to the user mobile. So the status of the product is it will be shortly delivered. So you have successfully ordered the product. Thank you.